Hi, this is an antique Deihl ceiling fan, commonly called the Hatbox. It's got a 55-inch span, so it's big and powerful. And this one's got an excellent original finish. You see there's a rectangular hole there. That's where the optional multi-speed resistor would have gone, but this was the single-speed version. And I just got done copper plating and oxiding the blade irons and making new basswood blades. The blades are not stained yet, and they'll actually end up getting riveted onto the blade irons. So anyway, I'm going to fire it up. And this is actually on low. This is about 60 volts. It runs pretty good. I'm going to crank it up. This is 120 volts DC.